People, check out the bus. Bodies now round town. Bodies now round town. What me say? Watch out, say. Wash hand now. Wash me hand. Wash me hand. My God, man. Watch the people. Right us in the seat, you know. Man, they check out the page, you know, man. Bad boy scientist. Yeah, man. Now tag the page right here. Watch out. Watch out, people. Look on it. No shifter in this bus. Yeah, man. So you don't have a shifter up at steering, and you don't have no shifter right in the control or center, you know. Watch your machine shift you give them. By using this. So if you want to put in a drive, just use this. Put in a drive, put in a reverse, put in a park.
Right,
yo.
Let me show you that.
Yo, I bought this thing.
Alright. And a key start. Show them say a key start just so. Let me say a key
So you
start.
say key start.
Yeah. But if you don't want the key start, we can turn in a button start.
Oh, you want to turn a button start?
We can turn a button start.
Alright, so what going on? I code that. Yeah. Wait a second, this is you start to go?
Yes, this start, man.
Oh, yeah. Lock off what I say.
Alright.
Hold on, more shift in that gear, I see what I'm going to say. Make people here see so you can shift for two.
Alright, you can.
Yeah.